Most SAT comma questions look tricky, but they're usually testing just two patterns. Learn those two patterns and you can answer fast. Rule 1 is extra information. If part of the sentence can be removed and the sentence still works, that part gets commas on both sides. Listen to this example. My brother who lives in Texas is a teacher. Now remove the middle part, my brother is a teacher. That still makes perfect sense. That's the test. If it's extra information, bracket it in your mind and expect 2 commas. On the SAT, look for a chunk in the middle that feels removable. If you can lift that chunk out and the sentence still works, it needs a comma before it and a comma after it. Once you see the removable chunk, the question gets much easier. Rule 2 is even easier. In a list of 3 or more items, you need commas between the items. Like this, I bought apples, oranges, and bananas. If you see a clean list, think separator commas. Here's the trap the SAT loves. A sentence has extra information, but only 1 comma shows up. If the extra information starts with a comma, it also needs a closing comma. 2 commas or none. So when you spot 1 lonely comma around extra information, that's your red flag. So that's it. Extra information gets 2 commas, list gets separator commas. Memorize those patterns, and SAT comma questions get much faster. You do not need to overthink these. Spot the pattern, trust the rule, and move on. Looking for more hacks? Subscribe to this channel today.